Okay, so today onwards we'll have a look at the Accenture verbal section only. Okay, these are the latest papers. We have three sets. I've sent you the first set in WhatsApp for your record. You can download that and keep it. But we will have more of an interactive session today. Uh, as we go through the questions, one by one, I'll call out some students' name and you can give the answer. As you can see, totally in this set, there are about 20 questions. Uh, the first four questions are related to reading comprehension. So that you can do it on your own. Since I've already sent the file in WhatsApp, go through the passage, try to answer these questions on your own. Uh, we'll probably have a look at one passage either tomorrow or day after when the next class comes. Okay, so one by one, I will call out your names in random so you can give the answer to one of these questions. Okay, so let's start with Guru Teja. Are you there? Guru Teja, not answering. Anjali, can you hear me, all of you? Hello, can you guys hear me? Okay, okay. Anjali, uh, can you answer this question? What kind of a question is this? Have you seen jumbled sentences? We've already taught you verbal in the previous couple of years, right? Second and third year. Verbal training was there, right? Anjali, can you hear me? Hello. Who else is there? Can Sri Lata, can you answer this question? Okay, go through it. You have to put them in order. That's what you have to do. Yeah. You start with C, yeah? CB. Okay. Okay. Now see, after C it says B, correct? But then after that it says D. Now when you talk about neutrality acts and then you talk about destruction of democracy, does it make? I mean, is the flow okay? I think there is something wrong with that. See, you always start out with a standardized statement, a general statement. So I think A should be the first statement. ADCB, option D, correct. That makes better sense. Perfect. Nice. Okay, let's go to the next question. One more jumbled word is the jumbled sentences. I'll ask somebody else. Bhavani Prasad, Are you listening? Bhavani Prasad, Karthik Raju, Naveen. Are you guys hearing this session or not? If you guys are not answering me, then I'll put absent. Very simple. It shows that you are not at all interested in attending the class. This is quite interesting stuff, yeah. Why don't you guys answer me? Pooja Nagarajan, yeah. Can you answer this, Pooja? Okay. A C A A C B D. Now in A, you are talking about an essay, correct? That is the subject. Now in C, uh, what is wrong with the normal flow itself? A B C D. I don't think there's anything. You can go with A B C D itself. The normal flow itself is fine, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. All right. Next question. Very simple one. Let me ask someone else. Ranjit. Yeah. Can you answer this one? Call the police immediately. That makes perfect sentence sense because immediately refers to current time. So you are actually instructing one person to call. Fine. Right. Good. Somebody else. Ritika. Can you answer question 8? Why two heads? Huh? Is it going to be A or C? Why? Why do you need to use past perfect tense? Previous years means immediate previous years, right? Maybe last year, the year before that. That's what they're talking about, right? They're not talking about 120 years back. C is enough. There is no necessity to use past perfect tense. Now, you guys should know one thing. What is the difference between simple past and past perfect? Hold on, I'll just explain that to you. What is the difference between these two sentences? This is simple past tense, correct? And this is past perfect tense. Now, what is the difference between these two in meaning? Raj finished his work means you can mention any time, correct? Let us say 2 hours ago. Any time can be mentioned. But can you say Raj had finished his work 2 hours ago? Why? In certain cases, if you want to mention events that happened very long ago, you use past perfect tense. But in this particular case, there is another meaning for past perfect tense. If you want to specifically uh, imply to this person that 2 hours itself has been a very long time, then you can use past perfect tense in this case. Okay. The difference is in the first sentence, you are just making a normal statement where you are not talking about whether 2 hours is long or short or anything like that. But here, since you have used past perfect tense, this 2 hours, these 2 hours, you're saying particularly to that other person, you're adding emphasis, saying that this 2 hours has been a very long time. Okay. So here we cannot use past perfect tense because we are not trying to imply anything over here in terms of how long it is or how short it is. Okay. So that way, we just need to use simple past tense. There is no need to use past perfect over here. Okay. Right. Next. Ranjit. Yeah, Ranjit, can you answer question 9? Shortcoming, which is the best option you can choose? No idea, huh? Why? What is the meaning of shortcoming? Hmm. Very good. Shortcoming means shortage or scarcity. Scarcity also means shortage, no? So this sentence actually means that you have a lot of cheap labor available in India. We have no shortage means we have lots of that stuff. We have lots of cheap labor available in India, right? Okay, right. Another person, let me see. Nitin Kumar, are you there? Nitin Kumar, Padma Shri. Yeah, can you answer question 10? Is there anything wrong in this sentence? That is what they are asking. Which part needs to be changed? Very good. Please remind me to post these letters. Very nice. Okay. Next one, I'm not sure if anybody would have come across this word. Does anyone know the meaning of cozen? Okay, so I won't ask anyone. Cozen means to trick someone or to deceive someone, to cheat someone. Okay, so the opposite of that is going to be B, treat honestly. Okay, next one I can ask Sadhana. Yeah, yeah, Sadhana, can you answer question number 12? Very good. What is the meaning of raising? You are correct, but it means cultivating. Correct? Cultivating crops. So mushroom is also a crop, isn't it? It's grown. Fine. Next, what can I ask? Guru Teja, can you hear? It's like he's asleep. Uday Kiran, can you answer question 13? No, you have to use since. Okay. Now, because ancient times is one specific period in the past, correct? Let us say we replace this by 200 AD or something like that. You get it? So it is a specific time when it started. So in this particular time, Hindu religion started as what they're saying. You understand? And I just gave 200 AD as an example, not exactly. So when you have something which starts at an exact time in the past, you use since. See, I'll tell you. Now here we are using last week. Last week is an exact time of start. That is the reason we use since. Okay. But then if you mention a time frame, for example, for the past 1 week. Now this 1 week is going to be a time frame. Okay. Here we can probably change this to last Monday, for example. Now this Monday is an exact time of start. But here we have a time frame. So whenever you have exact time of start, you use since. But if you have a time frame, you use for the past. Okay, that's the logic here. Okay, question number 14. Sandhya, can you answer? Serve him two summons, huh? No, that's wrong. What is summons? No, it is not two. It is a paper, correct? It is a paper which is sent to this guy's house. That is called a summons from a court, correct? Huh? So he has yet to serve him with the summons is the answer. Okay. Right. Next, Karthik Raju. Yeah. Do you know the meaning of facile? Hmm? No, no. Facile means something that is very simple. Okay. So the answer is easily done. Yeah. Okay. Can you answer this? Do you know this? What is the meaning of deluge? The city was destroyed because of the deluge. For example, the city was destroyed because of the deluge. Very good. Flood. Deluge means flood. When did Chennai had floods in, I think, 2015 or 16, right? Due to the rains. So that time you would have seen in the news, the city is suffering because of the deluge. That's the flood. Okay, right. Uh, Manikanta. Manikanta has answered illusion. It is not deluge mean is not illusion, ma. It is flood. Okay. Can you answer 17, Manikanta? Coffee house will fall down. What do you mean by the new wave of cafes in the city? No, it won't fall in. See, first you have to understand the sentence, man. New wave of cafes in the city means you're talking about a bunch of uh, cafes means restaurants, correct? New wave of restaurants means it is probably, the latest type of restaurant or something like that. Okay, so when you say it falls under, okay, falling under means falling under this category. Have you heard of that? Falling under a category. Now this is a category. New wave of cafes is a category, so you have to use fall under. What about the next one? Can you answer? Why? Village upliftment programs. They have introduced a lot of programs which will make sure that the villages are uplifted. Uplifted means enhanced. Okay. Yeah. Can you just hold on 1 second? Just hold on, please, ma'am. Ma'am. Ah. ஆமா மேம். ஓ. ஓகே. ஆன்சர்ஸ் எடுத்துருக்கேன். ஆன்சர்ஸ் எடுத்துட்டாங்க. சரி, நான் எடுத்துட்டு வரேன். ஆன்சர் எடுத்துட்டேன். ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே. ஓகே 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 ஓகே. Yeah, yeah, sorry guys, I got a call. Okay, so I think we have done most of the questions, so the rest you can just do it yourself. That's not a problem. Okay, that is enough for today. I'll take your attendance and then we'll finish this session. Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. Nidish, attendance please. Nidish, not there. Nisha Banu, Nitish Kumar, J, Nitish Kumar M, Niveda, Bhavani Prasad, Mohana Krishna, Om Prakash, Shrikant, Venkat Naveen, Padma Shri, Dilip Kumar, Nitin Kumar, Vijay Kumar, Manoj Kumar, Srilata,
Yes, sir.
Pichaya, Venkat Pichaya, Pavitra, Balaji, Bhavya, Venkat Rohit,
Yes, sir.
Sai Monica, Giri Priya, Pavita,
Yes, sir.
Venkatesh, Naveen,
Sir.
Sai Krishna, Pooja, Pooja KS.
Yes, sir.
If you have told your attendance, please mute ma. Pooja N,
Present, sir.
Pooja Bharati, Pujita,
Present, sir.
Monica, Praveen, Praveena, Preetish, Rajesh, yaar ma? Okay, Pushpanjali, Manikanteshwar Reddy, Guru Teja, yaar ma Manikanta, Guru Teja,
When you call, I replied you, sir, but due to network, you didn't hear my voice, sir.
I called you.
Sir, when you call, I replied you, sir, but you didn't hear, sir.
For what? That verbal,
Yes, sir.
That's okay, that's okay now.
After all, I replied.
No problem, no problem. Rahul, Rajesh Kumar, Ramya, Ranjit,
Present, sir.
Uday Kiran,
Yes, sir.
243 again Ranjit, Renuka Devi,
Present, sir.
Reshma, Ritika,
Present, sir.
Rohit, Rushi Preeta, यार बात है रोहित हाँ ऋषि प्रीता साधना
Present, sir.
संगीता प्रिया बी
Present, sir.
संगीता प्रिया एस
Present, sir.
संजय कार्तिक रेड्डी रेड्डी लोकेश नायडू संजय संध्या
Present, sir.
okay did I leave anyone
Present, sir.
Ravina 227
Yes, sir.
okay then 230 Pushpanjali okay anyone else okay that's all for today in the next class we'll do more of these verbal sections okay so thanks and have a good day bye bye